Hey friends, welcome to New Caledonia. Not only we have great food, but great music. So wherever you are in the world, we wish you a great day. So let me just show you a few recipes. Fish cakes and our beautiful prawns. We are going to stuff a betelnut leaf. So very easy, just in the fry pan, you put your stuffed betelnut with prawns, olive oil and a bit of salt. This is going to steam, so you may want to put just a cover, and it's going to have a grilled taste, but steamed as well. You have to flip them over. Just a bit of water. Green pawpaw. This is island-based food for us. So all you want to do is just shred it. We're just going to steam the green pawpaw. Oh, this is it. The flavor is there. So we're just going to finish the dish. Magic ingredient, smoked coconut. This is going to replace the flavor of the bacon. And this is the milk of the South Pacific, coconut milk. Thai basil. And just a bit of lemon zest. Then I will leave all the flavors to come together. This is the gathering of the flavors, and that's what we want in the dish. And here, just a bit of Moringa, very healthy leaf. Just at the end, so it keeps all its freshness and all its vitamins. Time to plate. Well, time to eat now. I hope you enjoy this beautiful carbonara with smoked coconut, milk and green pawpaw. Enjoy, friends.
You're running out of wind.